6 months, 180 days, 4,320 hours. For some people, that sounds like too little time to prepare for the UPSC Civil Services examination, one of the toughest competitive exams in the world. But here's the truth: 6 months is enough to clear UPSC if you know how to use those 6 months wisely. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to cover the entire UPSC syllabus in just 6 months with focus, strategy, consistency, and a mindset designed for success. This is not a shortcut, this is a smart cut. The science of studying effectively under pressure. By the end of this session, you will walk away with a complete 6-month UPSC plan, a practical weekly routine, a daily timetable, a strategy to master GS, optional CSAT and current affairs, a mindset that helps you stay disciplined. Let's begin your UPSC transformation. Let me begin with a true story. A few years ago, there was a student named Aditi. She worked full-time in a private company. No coaching, no fancy notes, just a burning dream to become an IAS officer. But she had one huge problem. Only 6 months left for prelims. Everyone told her, "You can't do it in 6 months. UPSC is not for people like you. You should wait another year." But Aditi decided something powerful. If the syllabus is vast, I will learn to study faster. If time is limited, I will learn to study smarter. She cut out every distraction. She refused to do everything. She focused only on what mattered most. She revised again and again. She solved 60 plus mock tests. She studied like her life depended on it. And 6 months later, she cleared UPSC prelims, then mains, then interview. Today, she is serving as an IAS officer. Her story teaches one thing: it is not the size of the syllabus, it's the size of your strategy. You don't have time to do everything, and that's good, because UPSC doesn't ask you to do everything. It asks you to do the right things and revise them multiple times. Here's what matters most in 6 months. Select the NCERTs, practice standard books, current affair for the last 6 to 12 months, and answer writing for this GS, and practice MCQs and optional subject basis plus PYQs and revision. Notice something: this list is a short but powerful. Your job in 6 months is not to be perfect, your job is to be consistent. So here is the exact 6-month strategy. Month first: foundation plus fast NCERTs plus basic current affairs. Focus areas are polity NCERT, then you can practice with geography NCERT class 6 to 10, selective 11 to 12. Then you can take practice with economic basics from the NCERT, then with the modern history NCERT and current affairs for the last 3 months. Your goal is to understand 60% of GS basics. No perfection, just clarity. The second month is standard books plus optional start. So here focus areas are continue polity, economy, history, and environment basics. Start optional subject and solve 20 mock tests. Daily answer writing, that is 10 questions per day. Goal is to finish 40% of your optional plus 25% of GS basics. Third month is heavy optional plus MCQs focus. Focus areas are complete 70 to 80% of optional subjects, solve MCQs daily, 50 to 25 questions per day, continue current affairs, start CSAT practice. Goal is to become comfortable with your optional and prelims MCQs. Month 4 is full prelims power mode. Focus areas will be 30 to 40 mock tests, full revision of polity, history, economy, environment, master CSAT, solve PYQs. Goal is to eliminate your prelims fear completely. Month 5 is full revision plus optional mains preparation. Focus areas is GS mains topics, then essay writing practice, optional second revision, and mock tests. Goal is to confidence plus intelligent answer writing plus strong recall. Month 6 is final sprint. Focus areas is 100% revision, 20 to 25 mock tests, short notes memorization, light current affairs, mental fitness, and calmness. Goal is to clarity, confidence, and mental peace. This is where toppers shine. Part 4 is the exact daily timetable, 6 to 8 hours minimum. Here is a simple high output timetable. 5:30 am, you wake up. A calm start is a better concentration. 6 am to 8 am, optional subject study. Morning mind is high retention. Then 8 to 9 am, breakfast plus light revision. 9 to 11 am, polity, history, economy study. 11 to 12 pm, MCQ practice. You can practice 50 questions. 10 to 4 pm, NCERTs plus static subjects. Then 4 to 5 pm, current affairs. And 5 to 6 pm, answer writing, essay practice. And at night, you can do 30 minutes revision before sleep. So part 5 is how to study for UPSC in 6 months effectively. So first is don't make notes for everything. You don't have time. Use ready-made notes for static subjects. Second is follow one source per subject. UPSC rewards depth, not variety. Third step is mock test is a game changer. Give one mock test every 2 days in last 2 months. Then next step is answer writing methods, but only after completing basics. Not the quality is greater than quantity. And last step is revision scheme. Revise each book at least 4 to 5 times. So most people fail because they panic. They think there is too much to study, I don't have enough time, or I don't remember anything. But toppers think differently. They think I will study what matters most. I will revise until I master it. I will stay consistent. Remember this line. UPSC doesn't select the person with the best memory. It selects the person with the best consistency. So here is the conclusion. You don't need 2 years. You don't need perfection. You don't need to study 14 hours a day. You need clear strategy, smart work, revision, consistency, dedication. If you commit to these 6 months with full sincerity, your life can change forever. Like Aditi, you can turn limited time into unlimited opportunity. If this video gave you clarity and confidence, like this video to support the channel. Comment my UPSC journey starts today. Subscribe to Growth Circuit Pro for weekly UPSC mindset, productivity, and motivational content. Share this with 10 aspirants who needs guidance today. Remember, 6 months is enough if you are enough.